Jesus Christ, we love you. Jesus Christ, we love you. Yeah, thanks for building the world. Thanks for building our lives. Thanks for making all of us and partially making me and partially making me and you. Me and you. Yeah, let's go play around. Thank you for making it for us. Thank you for making us dream. Thank you for building basketball. It's not just a thing, we like to play, like to play basketball. We dribble the basketball around the world. Let's go. And there you go, you Jesus. Jesus lives in the crowd, which you will be able to see everyone. If that's what you do, yeah, I still, yeah, that's what you do. Thank you for making the world.